an awfully long time.
The sun is out. The flowers are all in bloom. He's back. I did Star ever want to be a pirate? Wendy.
Promise me one thing. Leave her to me.
Beg for your lives.
English gentlemen, do not beg. Why do you hate him so? When he leaves the other one?
Not this time. The award-winning Dr. Seuss's animated classics are finally here on DVD. The beloved stories.
Do you like green eggs and ham?
With timeless songs.
By George, I think he's got it.
Share the magic of Dr. Seuss's original and unforgettable animated classics. Don't miss your chance to collect them all. On DVD today.
Splendid!
The most spectacular Land Before Time movie ever! The Great Long Night Migration is here! Littleford and all his friends have set off on their biggest adventure yet! When Littleford has a mysterious dream, he and his family journey across the Great Valley.
We're gonna see just what kind of an adventure Littleford's having.
Followed by his pals, and together they meet someone very special for the very first time.
What do you think is going to happen?
I don't know, Littleford. Something wonderful.
I'm going to go with it.
They encounter wonders of nature, fun, and brand new friends. The Land Before Time, The Great Long Night Migration. Available on video and DVD today. Once upon a time, there was a handsome prince who set out on a quest to rescue a fair princess. For it was his destiny to climb to the highest room of the tallest tower. Pull back the gossamer curtains to find her. What? Princess Fiona? She's on a honeymoon. With whom? There are. Come on, Shrek, we don't want any traffic. On a new journey. To a distant land. Yeah, you work in their head. Where Princess Fiona.
Now, this is it.
This is it. Can show off her new husband. Our daughter is married a monster! An ogre from a swamp?
Well, I suppose that would be a fine place to raise the children.
It's a bit early to be thinking about that, isn't it? Indeed, I just started eating.
It's so nice to have the family together for dinner.
DreamWorks Pictures presents. Excuse me, I'm looking for the ugly stepsister. Old friends.
Shrek and Donkey on another world of adventure.
And a few surprises. Pray for mercy from poors in bullets. Fear me if you dare.
I'm sorry, the position of annoying talking animal has already been taken.
They're coming soon to a theater near you.
This is taking forever.
Well, find a way to entertain yourself.